What's up, blooms? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this bomb super defined wash and go using my DIY Ayurvedic Flaxseed Gel. But before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright y'all, so I went to my local halal market recently and picked up this goodie here. It's a container that has mixed herbs like rosebuds, melissa flower, and chamomile. These herbal ingredients are amazing when it comes to keeping your hair nourished and thriving. I'm adding a good amount of the floral mix and 4 cups of distilled water. Next, I'm adding stinging nettle that is rich in silica and sulfur to combat hair loss and promote growth. And here we have the star of our Ayurvedic gel, flax seeds. Flax seeds are amazing when it comes to your body, but also your hair. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which give vital protein and nutrients to hair follicles and boost circulation in the scalp. I'm also adding in 1/3 cup of slippery elm to get some additional slip for application, and marshmallow root, which acts as a moisturizer that conditions strands. Last but not least, I'm adding a tablespoon of dried orange peel for its high vitamin C content. I let the mixture come to a boil and stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. After 15 to 20 minutes, I'm using a cheesecloth and strainer to extract the gel from the herbs. Keep in mind to work carefully during this step, especially if the mixture is still piping hot. So this is the amount of gel that I was able to get from the herbs, and now I'm adding in some additional ingredients before finalizing everything. I added a few drops of Horsetail Extract for its high amount of silica, a couple tablespoons of my black seed and Chebe oil. I have a separate video on my channel showing exactly how I made this oil. I'll leave it in the cards for you to check out. And now I'm just adding in a few drops of essential oil like orange and rosemary. Because I made the gel using water, I'm using a preservative called Optiphen Plus to keep the gel from growing mold and bacteria. If you don't have a preservative, keep the gel in the fridge for up to a week in an airtight container. Now I'm using my emulsion blender to get the ingredients well combined. You can see how the color of the mixture is changing as I'm blending. After a few minutes, this is the final result of our Ayurvedic Flaxseed Gel. It does have a watery consistency, so feel free to adjust the recipe to get the desired texture that you're looking for. I ended up transferring the mixture to a bottle for better application. I also have another video on my channel where I use flax seeds to create a sea moss and flaxseed leave-in conditioner that added amazing moisture and shine to my fine, low porosity natural hair. Go ahead and check out that video to see how I made the leave-in conditioner and also how it transformed my dry hair. I have a separate sea moss playlist on my channel where I show you how to make your own sea moss gel at home and other great ways that you can utilize sea moss in your natural hair routine. Comment down below if you are familiar with sea moss and if you're already incorporating it in your routine. Alright y'all, so now it's time to apply the Ayurvedic Flaxseed Gel. I already got started styling my hair and this is what we're working with so far. I'm doing a wash and go with a gel and a styling cream. I'm using a generous amount of warm water, then distributing the styling cream in my hair, using the gel as the last step. Let me know how you like to style your hair when it comes to wash and goes. Do you like using gel, mousse, or styling cream? Comment down below. Even though the gel has a looser consistency, it still has some movement to it as well as a great amount of slip. I'm able to glide my hands through and finger detangle when applying the gel to my hair. So this is one side of my hair with the gel. I have shine, definition, and moisture so far with this wash and go. I wanted to show y'all just how different my hair looks before and after styling. Let me know what you think of my wash and go so far. I'm doing this method mostly in the front of my hair to get some extra definition because the front of my hair grows the longest and has a looser pattern from the rest of my hair. Does your hair grow evenly all around, or does some parts grow faster or longer than the rest? Comment down below and let me know. Alright y'all, so I'm all done applying the gel all over and this is what my wash and go is looking like. And here is my hair after air drying for a couple of hours. It's defined, moisturized, and looking so good. If you don't mind using something more natural on your hair, go ahead and try out this recipe. Y'all, I am obsessed. Like, I love the ingredients I used in here. I added the Optiphen in here in order to extend the shelf life of the gel. Technically, I don't have to put it in the fridge, but just in case, if you don't feel comfortable, you can still leave it in the fridge. You can do this with or without the Optiphen. It depends on how long you're planning on using it for. Because I don't use gel all the time, I didn't want to make a big old batch, but just in case, I'll just have it in the fridge and know that the Optiphen is in there as well, just to make sure there's no bacteria or anything like that. And anytime you're making a DIY, especially a water-based DIY, you want to add a preservative in there in order to extend the shelf life of your product or whatever it is that you're making. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for another video where I show you how I took care of my wash and go during the week after using my Ayurvedic Flaxseed Gel and styling cream. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.